have to make it back for anyone to see it anyway.
Yeah, I can't really drop the camera. Hail. We're getting hail.
Hail. What the hail?
We're getting some hail. Oh boy. We are. Oh, electricity was out here. I'll be goddamn.
Maybe it was on timers.
I guess. Get it out.
Yeah, it's probably out. It's only 7:42.
Oh boy.
How come the convenience store on power now?
It was only on this side because that porch light down there came on too. It was only on this side, south side.
South side of 4th Street, huh?
Yep. Ooh, part of town.
Now we can barely see it at all.
It's almost right on top of us.
How can you tell? Oh, the light.
Lightning and thunder. Thunder's really loud now. This might be a little F-Zero here.
Well, and you know, I believe severe thunderstorms are formed by volcanism. I'll bet they're all F-zeros unless they're bad.
I see a certain wind speed.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It's over 75.
That's what I'm saying. Anything less than that, and it's just
Oh, I hear you. Okay. I see what you're saying. Yeah, this is over 75 miles an hour. Or thereabouts, anyways.
yeah.
This is the kind of storm they get in Florida every freaking day in the summertime.